All right, we have another oracle message. This one is Queen Ya Asantua. I have a friend whose name is Asantua. Alrighty, so we are reviewing the goddesses. So here we go. Okay, now this one is a level up. Level up, level up. All right, so, I forgot to share. This is from the African Goddess Rising Oracle series. Okay, raise your standards. A leap forward for one is a leap forward for the tribe. Your choices can raise the frequency of your community and the planet. Time to level up. This is your season for a quantum leap. You are prepared for this. Life does not have to be linear, and neither does growth. A quantum leap feels drastic and huge, but the secret is that quantum leaps happen little by little. Exactly. This is so awesome. I love so many things in this. It's so much. My sparks are flying all over the place because it's time for a lot of us to level up, especially ladies. It is time for us to level up and blossom and grow and embrace our inner goddess. It really is. It's time for us to embrace our inner goddesses and let them come out and share them with the world. Share your magic with the world. We create our own magic. It's time to share that with the world. It is time to level up. And then it says, this is your season for a quantum leap. Whoever this is for, I am loving this. This is your season for a quantum leap. All right. You're prepared for this. Sometimes you don't know that, what you're supposed to be doing or how you're supposed to be doing it. I'm telling you, as long as you know what you're supposed to be doing, just go for it. You don't have to know all the steps. You do not, It's important to know where you're going, have the vision, give the stuff you don't know to Source. Let Source figure it out. Talk to your ancestors, your guides, the angels. Let them collectively figure out the stuff that you don't know, because it's time for you to level up. All right. If I was standing up, I would be leveling up. Do a Sierra's dance. All right, y'all. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.